हे गाइस वेलकम बैक। मैं हूँ ज्योति और ये है
Hello, मैं हूँ श्रुति. Jojo.
यस
Jojo.
यस
Yeah. What are we reacting to today? What is happening? How is life?
ओके
What is
ओ
like in
माय
general?
गॉड calm down. No,
Hi,
keep at
Antu.
it because yeah, I know, but this Ghana is very chill, so it's what I've been told.
So, what are we reacting to, Jojo?
Mm,
Better?
uh,
Chill enough? Huh.
mm, it's a singer-songwriter from Arunachal Pradesh,
Oh, lovely.
and I'm going to
Very
talk like
nice.
this now.
Yes, yes. Just keep volume up.
Oh, sorry. Too soft, na? So, singer-songwriter from Arunachal Pradesh, highly
Acha.
recommended. Got lots of DMs about his music, and his name is Taba Chaki. Taba Chaki.
Tawachaki.
Taba Chaki.
Nice.
Yeah,
This is
and
after the
he,
cipher. When we released that cipher, उस पे
yeah,
react किया था उसके बाद ना?
yeah, and even some
हाँ.
friends of mine who are from the Northeast, they also said check out his music. So now
Oh.
it comes highly recommended. This song, it's
अच्छा.
been requested in the comments also, and it's called Shayad.
शायद.
Yeah,
Okay.
2018 August ka gana hai. So let's check it
अच्छा.
out. I've basically this is all I've heard about him. He's a singer songwriter. He's from a he's from a Nishi tribal
Oh,
family. So he
nice.
sings in English, Hindi, and Nishi.
So we'll get to
And
learn a few words hopefully by his songs.
let's see what language this one is in. I'm guessing this is a Hindi Gana, but
Okay.
either way, I'm very intrigued about him as an artist.
Yeah.
Uh, let's do it. First
Good.
single
I'm
from his
excited.
album
Yeah.
Bombay Dreams. This one is. Itself.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Chalo. 1, 2, 3.
शायद मैं ही हूँ शायद मैं नहीं हुआ क्या न जाना जाने ये रास्ते ले जाते हैं कहाँ पता ना यूं ही बस चल पड़ा मुझको कुछ भी खबर नहीं मैं हूँ एक मुसाफिर हम सफर भी नहीं इनमें भी मैं ही हूँ इनमें भी मैं नहीं मुझे ये है हुआ क्या कुछ पता ही नहीं शीशे की राह पे चल के ढूंढे अब मंजिलें हम गिर पड़े जो तो गिरने दो हौसले टूटे नहीं जिंदगी आसा होती है कहाँ ये फासले जो दरमिया दूरिया ये दूरिया जिंदगी आसा होती है कहाँ यारो ये कैसी है आखिर मजबूरियाँ इनमें भी मैं ही हूँ इनमें भी मैं नहीं मुझे ये है हुआ क्या कुछ पता ही नहीं शीशे की राह पे
absolutely love. I'm fully in love. So cute.
So cute, so nice, such a good song.
First video. Okay, first we're going to talk about the video. Then we will talk about his voice and the music. I'm in love with that girl. I want to be that little girl.
I think
I want to.
I think I was seeing myself in that little girl. I don't know
Me
about you.
too. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So especially, you know, first of all, like my first moment of love happened when she's trying to climb that patthar and she slips, and then the lyrics were also like that. And when she climbs up, she stands like this.
Yeah.
I loved it. The moment she did that, I was like, okay, full hearts, like
Yeah.
love has happened.
Exactly.
And like, yeah,
And then playing with the little chasing the hens and chasing
Yeah,
the goats, and then following the
and then boat
waterfall.
mein, oof. Listen, the DOP. One like big shout out to the DOP. Wow, every frame. I was like, अरे इस frame के बारे में बात करूंगी. Immediately next, right after that, next frame, I was like, ये भी बड़ा अच्छा है, ये भी बड़ा अच्छा है. Back to back, phenomenal frames. Like, you know, that shot when she's lying down in the boat and she's got her cycle with her, but there's a bit of water. So it's like, you know, the land element of the cycle, water element of boat on water, and she's just chilling, like, you know, and there are flowers. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. And there was a line after that which says "Shishe say something," and the visual was of shining water.
Yeah.
So it was like shiny water, like, you know, sun reflecting in the water, and "Shishe ki raah." Wah, wah. Matlab poetic visuals. Beautiful.
Simple yet poetic, and just oh my god! And I'm like, I'm gonna cry. Every time I see such amazing art, I just want to cry.
Oh,
His lyrics and his like the emotion in his singing, and so this is what my friend who recommended his music also was like. You'll understand the beauty of simplicity, no? And that's
yeah.
exactly what this was. It was just a simple song, but main mein hu, main mein bhi nahi. There's so much contradiction going on
Oof,
in the
oof.
whole like self-discovery mode and self-awareness
Yeah,
sort of, and
yeah.
personal journey, life journey sort of.
And I love कि कोई बात नहीं, अगर हम गिरेंगे भी तो उठ के वापस चलेंगे. Like, you know, the whole feel of that
हौसले टूटे
is
नहीं, and then she's basically riding back home
टूटे भी तो
with
क्या.
all the leaves on the bike.
Which looks so beautiful. We've all done that, right? While plucking, it all looks so beautiful and oh, it'll look so nice. But जब घर आ रहे होते हैं, by the end of it, it's like one big like घास फूस that you've got, which is amazing. But also now, let's talk about his voice. Ah,
So that's what I'm saying. I just feel like crying because I'm like, how, like, you know, it's just such a blessing when you find artists like this. I just feel blessed.
Yeah.
I'm just like, I'm so glad you exist, and I'm so glad you've been gifted with your voice and with your art and with your so raw.
but
And
so much skill and so there are very few musicians, like few singers, who can hit falsetto beautifully.
Yeah.
Most of them try to hit falsetto, and वो जैसे ही जाते हैं falsetto में, suddenly it's like, अरे stop screeching, or like,
Don't
अरे
do
नहीं
that.
हो रहा, don't, and without going nasal, because a lot of them go nasal the moment they, you know. And so Nikhil is few of the people. We recently did one of his songs. He's few of those people. He to goes into trumpet mode, like falsetto में जाता है, गाता है, trumpet करता है, सब कुछ. This voice is so similar to that. To be able to do that, it's like wow, and yet have those deep notes. And it was so soothing. It was so balmy.
But
like,
also when he did those portions, he didn't stretch it too much. He just went right there, and then he brought it back, and then
he did it for the emotion. You know, it was part of the play
to stretch
of how,
you, and then bring you back.
It was so beautiful.
Yes, yes. No, well
And
caught.
even his deeper voice was like, it was like
It's such a
very, like,
simple
beautiful.
song. You can show that much range. It's
Socho.
volumes of you know what you can do as an artist and as a singer. So
I get it. You said na that this particular song is super famous and like many people requested it. I 100,000% completely get it.
You know? This song
And
is the soul.
Raw, simple, so much finesse, beautiful, you know, video. और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? बस 3-4 बार सुनते हैं ये वाला गाना और उसके बाद लूप पे डालते हैं खुद के लिए. और कुछ नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में.
एक bicycle चाहिए, that's all. That's all I need now. I want to get on my bike. So yes, thank you for recommending this. And
but आपका काम यहाँ खत्म नहीं हुआ है. एक गाना रिक्वेस्ट किया है, very good. I want to know. Jojo wants to know more songs from him. Like, which are the other songs which you have absolutely loved about him, which show his prowess as a musician, as a singer? Please tell us about. Like, we'd love to.
Yes, and tell us if we pronounce the name also right. Taba Chaki
Yeah.
is how I've said it, and apologies if that's wrong.
Tabchake, Tabachaki, Tabshaki,
Tabachek. Sorry,
Tabachek.
like shake.
So over here, we're not making fun. We're actually in love with him now. So
Yeah.
now we need to know the right way. So
The right way to say his
help is
name if
required.
we're saying it
Yeah.
wrong, and appreciate the recommendation. Thank you so much. Tell us what else, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.